How to one name on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up any VPN application. Now search for Indonesia server. Now go back to your home screen and open a Facebook application. Now tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on name and now you can select single name and tap on save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.